Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove this learn about this picture icon up in the top corner of the Windows 10 background wallpaper. So if you don't want to see this anymore, you're going to have to turn off the Windows Spotlight settings, or you have to switch to a picture or slideshow for your wallpaper. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that change. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, check back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go and select the personalization tile on the settings page. Underneath background, click the drop down and select anything other than Windows Spotlight. And that will then remove that from the top right corner, and then you will be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.